The future of humanity lies in the skies, beyond the clouds, and in the great unknown of the cosmos in which our little blue planet dwells. We have spent the past several decades studying that which we do not know, and have made extraordinary achievements for the human race, such as our ability to travel to our moon, and have achieved a myriad of discoveries and successes since then. Now, scientists' sights are set on further outliers of our solar system and galaxy, in the hopes we can become more acquainted with our cosmic home. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we'll be taking a look at 3 scientific discoveries using telescopic technology. Astronomers find mystery object in mass gap. Many aspects of our universe and the objects that lie within it are mysteries to us. One of these mysteries is the existence of a mass gap between neutron stars and black holes. When gigantic stars end their life, they collapse under their own gravity and turn into black holes. However, when smaller stars end, they explode as supernovas and leave behind neutron stars, dense remnants of what they once were. Until recently, the heaviest neutron star ever recorded weighed 2.5 solar masses, while the smallest black hole weighed in at 5 solar masses. Of course, the obvious and mysterious question is, what, if anything, exists in this mass gap? On August 14, 2019, LIGO and Virgo, 2 space observation machines, discovered an object with a weight of 2.6 solar masses, the first of its kind to ever be found. Scientists say that LIGO and Virgo detected this object after it merged with a black hole weighing 23 solar masses, an action that sent huge gravitational waves. Northwestern University's Vicky Calagera said, "We've been waiting for decades to solve this mystery. We don't know if this object is the heaviest known neutron star or the lightest known black hole, but either way, it breaks a record." Patrick Brady, a professor at the University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee, says that the mass gap may not even exist at all, and suggested that it was merely our observational constraints keeping us from seeing the full picture. Calagera goes on to say that this mystery object could be a neutron star merging with a black hole. This possibility has only ever been demonstrated in theory and has never been observed. However, she also adds that it may simply be the lightest black hole ever detected, which, of course, would also be an incredible find. In the future, researchers hope that LIGO, Virgo, and other means of observation will detect and identify similar objects that will tell us more about what they could be. Charlie Hoy, a graduate student at Cardiff University and a member of the LIGO scientific collaboration, is hopeful. What is really exciting is that this is just the start. As the detectors get more and more sensitive, we will observe even more of these signals, and we will be able to pinpoint the populations of neutron stars and black holes in the universe. Indeed, as our observational equipment gets more and more advanced, maybe we'll finally be able to answer humanity's questions about the cosmos. Scientists are realizing that a mysterious, fast radio burst from space looks strangely familiar. In the galaxy M81, 12 million light-years away, scientists saw strange, bright flashes that are drawing up memories from flashes found in the Crab Nebula. The Crab Nebula is a famous remnant of an old supernova that humans witnessed all the way back in 1054 AD. Those flashes, now known as repeating fast radio bursts, or FRBs, were seen by multiple different cultures, such as Chinese astronomers who saw the star above the southern horn of Taurus, as well as Arab and Japanese astronomers. The flashes remained brightly shining for 23 days and were 6 times brighter than Venus, according to the astronomers at the time. It took 700 years for the star remnant to be spotted by telescope by John Bevis, a British astronomer. Famous astronomer Charles Messier even found the star 27 years later and included it in his catalogue of Messier objects. Then, another 200 years later, in the 1960s, astronomers detected a fluctuating radio source where the Crab Nebula lies and determined that the signal came from a pulsar or a neutron star with a strong magnetic field. Now, the flashes that were recently detected by scientists are being compared to those witnessed 1,000 years ago. According to Kenzie Ninmo, a PhD student in astronomy, some of the signals we measured are short and extremely powerful, in just the same way as some signals from the Crab pulsar. Astronomers are still trying to figure out the nature of fast radio bursts because where they were found is quite peculiar. Usually, FRBs are found in galaxies abundant with young stars, but the radio dishes pointed the signal's source to a group of old stars called a globular cluster. The source of the signal challenges the idea that magnetars, the strongest magnets in the universe and a type of supernova remnant, are responsible for FRBs. This is because the explanation works well when young stars are abundant, but when there is a substantial number of old stars, as is true for galaxy M81, the explanation begins to make less sense. Some astronomers, however, believe it's possible that the magnetar was created by a white dwarf that pulled gas away from another nearby star. The added mass may have caused the dwarf star to turn into a magnetar. Whatever the explanation of the fast radio bursts in M81, astronomers believe there is definitely something strange going on. As time passes, hopefully, answers begin to come in. Astronomers observe early stages of Milky Way-like galaxies in distant universe. Historically, one of the more difficult things in the world of astronomy has been to observe light in a significant way. With such a gaseous atmosphere, some light gets absorbed before it really has a chance to shine so that human eyes can see it. Now, a team in Chile has officially detected emissions from distant galaxies, and they have the unexpected findings to prove it. The Atacama Large Millimeter Array was used to observe these galaxies. Driven by the hope to see even faint emissions on top of the quasar, the team was surprised to witness that these galaxies are embedded in a larger, extended halo of hydrogen gas. It's not where the star formation is, and to see so much gas that far from the star-forming region means there is a large amount of neutral hydrogen around the galaxy, said Marcel Neilman, a postdoctoral fellow at UC Santa Cruz. J. Xavier Prochaska, professor of astronomy and astrophysics at UC Santa Cruz and co-author of a paper on the new findings, had more to say. These galaxies appear to be massive, dusty, and rapidly star-forming systems, with large, extended layers of gas. These observations give us terrific insight into how galaxies like our Milky Way looked 13 billion years ago. Prochaska's paper is a partnered effort with Arthur M. Wolfe, a co-author and Prochaska's advisor at USC San Diego, and has been a focus since 2003. Now, researchers have been able to utilize ALMA to find far-infrared images to help find the bright lights set apart from the quasars. ALMA's radio antenna technology enables astronomers to see light from an extreme distance. Their current focus of light is situated neatly, about 13 billion light-years away. This means some of the light the astronomers are seeing is a glimpse at an early galaxy formation. According to Prochaska's findings, galaxies are forming stars at a quick pace. The current star formation rate is greater than 100 solar masses per year for a single galaxy, and roughly 25 solar masses per year for the second. As mentioned, what is distinct about this light is the visual separation from the quasar. In this study, the separation is about 137,000 light-years for the first galaxy, and 59,000 light-years for the next. This study is the first of a continued study that will take place in the future with Prochaska and the work of the late Arthur Wolfe. The venture started in 2003 will continue, and the world will carry on observing those galaxies far, far away. But what do you make of these recent discoveries? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and help us grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.